How to PayPal pay balance instead of credit card. Now, have you ever tried to make a payment with PayPal, but instead of using your balance, PayPal automatically charged your credit card? It can be frustrating, but the fix is actually simple. Today, I'm going to show you how to pay with your PayPal balance first instead of your card. So, you're going to log into your PayPal account and go over to your payments section, okay, in the settings. Now, you're going to find an option called preferred payment methods, okay? And in those, you're going to find all the payment methods like your PayPal balance, your credit card, your Visa card, etc. Now, what you can do is you can simply go over to your PayPal balance and you can click on set as preferred. Now, when that happens, what happens is all the payments that you make will be first taken from PayPal balance. Now, in the case this doesn't have balance, it can go over to credit union or any card you have, but generally, it will first go to your PayPal balance. So that is how you can make sure PayPal uses your balance before your card. A simple change that can save you fees and keep your credit card bill clean. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.